folks, welcome back to Wisconsin Weather Sucks. It's first weekend in May, and I hope your planting season's going better than mine. Got a Joyride video for you today. We're going to be taking a look at slamming doors. Some of you may have noticed in our last video, and if not, you can go back to it at the very end of it with our Jake brakes. When we put the Jake brakes on, you can just see this door started to pop open. The striker pin had shattered, this rubber bushing. The door wouldn't stay shut anymore. Well, you can get the striker pin's same as the 379. This was all trashed in here. We did the back plate. I had to cut it off. So did the plate in the back, plate in the front. You can still get all these and the pin. And now the door still doesn't shut. And it never fit good. It really started to fit worse when we got new door seals in it. And you can see it sucked. If you look at the jamming of it, it's sucked way in up here, and I've tried to jam it and it just doesn't fit. The piano hinge has got to be sprung or twisted somewhere from 45 years of, I suppose, not having any friends. Nobody in and out of this door. So we're gonna see if we can pop it off. Why don't you come take a look. Part of the miracle that is restoring old trucks, everything is bad. Stuck, seized, worn, in this case cobbled. Oh, the joys. Of course, this is a difficult, dangerous lift. So you're going to want to have a friend assist you. pulling the door down. There we go, it's off. No broken screws. Those definitely are not going back in there. We'll get some stainless hardware, pretty that up. Don't ever put stainless hardware together dry. It'll gall, and it's God's Loctite then. You ain't getting it back apart. Oh, we just got to pop these ill-fitting screws out and we're apart. Okay, we got ourselves our new polished custom fit stainless piano hinge. It's a beautiful piece, ain't it? And we'll talk about why stainless here in a second. I think I'm gonna collapse. You know, my dad taught me when we were moving hogs, and you got a stubborn sow, never to stop and let her rest. She would gain up strength again and beat you. I wonder if this applies here. I sure wish the old two-stroker was here. You know, old buddy, I don't know how you do it. We got all the bolts started. I mean, you can see it, it's a lot low. So now we jam. Boy, I have never had a door fit this poorly, especially on a truck that shows no signs of ever having been wrecked, at least laid over this side. It's about to get scary. What's going to have to happen next? Well, I still can't say I'm real happy with it, but she shuts. And didn't want to tackle this project now, but if we go to a show or something and door comes open and Mrs. Diesel comes tumbling out, I'm gonna be in trouble. So the stainless hinge, you know, it won't rust and streak down the paint like the painted ones do, and it shouldn't in theory ever seize up. So that's why we go with the stainless hinge. Real happy with that. That's the way it should have been built in the first place. So I mean, there you have it. With just a few handheld tools and your old Peterbilt, you too can ruin your afternoon and knees. Thanks for watching.